Good morning friends and good morning my students. Today in this video we will discuss another important topics of enzyme, that is enzyme kinetics. Under enzyme kinetics we will discuss the Michaelis-Menten equation, its plot and Km value. You know, the Michaelis-Menten equation arises from the general equation of enzyme action, that is E plus S ES enzyme plus product. Enzyme and substrate combines each other to form the enzyme substrate complex, then enzyme substrate complex produce the product. So here the Fodor reaction when produces the enzyme substrate complex Fodor reaction, here the velocity constant is K1. In backward reaction, reversible reaction, the velocity constant is the K2, and for the product formation velocity constant is the K3. Now, if we calculate the rate of reaction of the formation of enzyme substrate complex, rate of formation of enzyme substrate complex is equal to velocity constant K1 into this one, K1 enzyme concentration into substrate concentration. For reversible reaction, when enzyme substrate breaks down into enzyme substrate, rate of breakdown is equal to here K2 into enzyme substrate, K2 enzyme substrate. Rate of formation of the product, rate of formation of product is equal to K3 into S, K3 enzyme substrate complex. Now, if we consider a steady state condition, means the rate of formation of the enzyme substrate complex is equal to the breakdown. It may break down into enzyme substrate or it may produce the product. So this will be equal to the total of this K1 enzyme concentration, substrate concentration will be equal to K2 enzyme substrate complex plus this one K3 enzyme substrate complex. So K2 plus K3 enzyme substrate complex. If we take the common of the enzyme substrate complex. Now, K2 plus K3 divided by K1 is equal to this one, K2 plus K3 divided by K1, then enzyme concentration, substrate concentration divided by ES. This is a new constant called Km, called the Km. Km is the Michaelis-Menten constant. It is also known as Briggs and Haldane constant. Now, we can deduce a formula from here. That is, V is equal to V max substrate concentration divided by Km plus substrate concentration. So, this formula is called the Michaelis-Menten formula. So, from here we can draw a graph. Taking so here V is equal to reaction velocity, V max is the maximum velocity, S is the substrate concentration, K is the Michaelis-Menten constant. Now, we will plot velocity versus substrate concentration. Velocity on y-axis and substrate concentration on x-axis. Then we will get this type of plot. This plot has three distinct regions, A, B and C. So, the A region is a straight line, linear. The graph is the linear. If we increase the concentration of the substrate, there will be the increase in velocity. Now you see why it is the straight line. In the initial state, the substrate concentration is very low. Here, this one, substrate concentration is very low than the Km. So, here we can neglect the substrate concentration. This reaction will be V is equal to V max substrate concentration divided by the Km. This is very small amount, we can neglect it. Now, V max and Km is a constant. So, V varies with directly varies with the substrate concentration. If there is increase of substrate concentration, the V will also increase this portion. After that, this graph as a hyperbola. Next, at point C, after B region, the curve reaches to the plateau. That means it will the straight line, it will parallel to the x-axis. This point is called the Vmax. So after C point, there will be no change in the velocity. If we increase the substrate concentration, so there will be no change. Same velocity constant is the same. That is the maximum velocity. So in the first phase, the reaction is the first order reaction, and the here reaction is the zero order reaction. Next we go to the Km value. Km value. So if we consider the middle portion, half Vmax, this is the max, this will be like here, half Vmax. They will draw a line parallel to the x-axis. Then at this point, we will draw a line parallel to the y-axis. This point is called the Km. So what is Km? My chill is maintained constant. Km is the substrate concentration which gives the half maximum velocity. Half maximum velocity. Now we can calculate with the formula V is equal to Vmax substrate concentration divided by Km plus substrate concentration. Here V is the half Vmax. Half Vmax is equal to Vmax substrate concentration divided by Km plus substrate concentration. So Vmax will be cancelled. Here Km plus substrate concentration is equal to 2 Vmax. Sorry, Vmax will be cancelled to substrate concentration. So Km is equal to, this will minus substrate concentration. You see, Km is the substrate concentration. Km is the substrate concentration when the velocity is the half of the maximum velocity. K is the substrate concentration which gives the half maximum velocity. Next, properties of the Km. Number 1, Km is the constant. Number 2, low Km value indicates the high affinity between enzyme and the substrate. Indicates the high affinity. Number 3, Km is not dependent on enzyme concentration. Km is not dependent on enzyme concentration. So these are the, so what is the value of the Km? For all enzyme actions, the value is in between 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power minus 2 mole. Now the limitation of the Michaelis Menten plot. Here you see the V max, it is the asymptomatic. So in which point it reaches to the V max. So it may be the here, it may be the here, it may be the here. So this is the demerit of the or limitation of this curve, Michaelis Menten plot. This problem is overcome by Lineover-Burke double reciprocal plot. In the next class, we will discuss the Lineover-Burke double reciprocal plot. Thank you.